Hello, my name is Adrienne Wallace, and welcome to my introductory video. A little bit about myself. I'm a first-year school teacher, so I made the transition from corporate America into the educational realm. I teach high school. I teach broadcast, film, and television. So I have a class where we do recordings every day of the school announcements, and we do editing of the videos, and we put it out every morning for the school, as well as we do a podcast, whereas the students will discuss issues that they feel that are important to them. I also have a master's in information technology. And the thing that I'm most excited about is cybersecurity. For some reason, that has piqued my interest lately, so I'm very interested in learning a little bit more about cybersecurity. This is my first semester in working toward my Master's of Education Technology, so this is the second class that I've taken so far. A little fun fact about me, I love to travel. I love to have a good time, love laughing, and just being around people and having a great time. That's who I am. Okay. So next we're talking about the Chapter 1, Educational Technologies. So the first thing I came about was the digital portfolios. Because I teach high school, I felt it was very important to inform my students about building a technical portfolio for college entry. Something to show the college administrators when they go and apply for college entry. Another thing that I've learned is the learning games. Kids love to play the games, and they're very, very competitive, and they love playing against each other. But I teach web design, so the games that I have are all coding games. So they have to be able to know the code to get to the next level, and I find that has helped them learn a lot. Also, mobile learning. I feel this is a great idea. It's a great tool. Students can take their mobile learning on the go with them, and they're always on the go, as we know. So they can take it with them on vacation, anywhere they're going. While they're out and about, they can pull out their mobile device, their smartphones, get their work done, and then they're done with it. Excuse me. I'm getting over the flu here. And then the next thing is the video conferences. I think that students also learn through the Zoom and project collaboration and study groups. So anything where they can come together and learn from each other, I think is an awesome tool. So I thought video conferences was great for that as well. Okay, also for Chapter 1, we have the stakeholders. And the stakeholders, I felt like the first and the most important to me were parents. For parental guidance. Students sometimes need parental guidance when they're out there on the internet. And who better to guide them than the parents that are at home with them? And the next thing I felt were the teachers, of course, because we're the one that's giving them the tools and we're giving them the sites to go to. So we have to make sure that these sites are safe, that the students are going to. And then we have the administrators. They also need to be aware of which software or technical programs that are working for both the teachers as well as the students. And last but not least, our school board members, because they're doing the voting on matters, on issues that matter the most to us and to the students as well. So I think that they also are great stakeholders in this in the situation also. And then on Chapter 5, we're talking about implementing technology controls. And the first thing I think we should be concerned with is preventing cyberbullying. That's very important. And then data protection. You want to protect the school and the district's data from any type of viruses or worms that could come in if the students were to go to the wrong website. And then we have the support digital citizenship. Of course, we want to support that. We want our students to be digital citizens. And last but not least, we want to definitely make sure we have copyright laws and government regulation. I think that's very important as well. So these are the things that I found that were most important to me as far as technology control. This is a little bit about me and who I am. And of course, I'm excited about learning more throughout the course. So I hope this gives you a little idea about me. Thanks. Have a great day.